Welcome back. Yesterday we learned that kitchen remodels remain one of the hottest projects to do this year according to Angie's List. And here to get your project started and completed in only 5 days, Sarah Zarnt-Bricky, owner of Rebath and 5 Day Kitchens. Okay, so yesterday we learned now's the time to start planning. Why don't people do that?
Remodeling is scary. Especially if you've ever tried to start planning something, you know it's a big undertaking. And people start thinking about, oh, I have to go to this place, I've got to go to the cabinet shop, the tile guy, this, that, and the other. By the time you even start the process, you're already exhausted. And no one has time for that.
Exactly. But spring is a good time to get those renovations going and remodels going. So where do we start?
Where do we start? That's a great question. 5 Day Kitchens makes it super easy for you to get your project going, and it really starts with our design process, and we have narrowed it down to 3 easy steps. First visit in our design center. And in that design center, you get to pick everything. So you pick your cabinet, you pick your flooring, you pick your countertop, and you pick your backsplash. So it's all done right there. The second visit, it's in your home, so if you don't want to get dressed, you don't have to.
Oh, okay.
You don't even have to. But that's where we do the measure, and where we get to pick, exactly what's going to go where. And then after that, that's where the real work happens. Our designer takes it all back, starts to do a 3D rendering, and then that third visit, you get to see it come to life.
Very cool. Okay, now you say 5 days. Is it honestly 5 days?
As long as you're not changing the footprint, yes. It can be done in 5 days.
That doesn't seem real, but I love the sound of it. What are these things that you've brought in today?
This is just making it easier for you to start narrowing down design choices. And certainly you don't have to stay with any of these, but it makes it easier. It gives you ideas for your wood, so for your cabinets, for your countertops, for your backsplashes and things like that. So we just want to give you ideas and make that decision-making process easier. So we don't want you to hold back because you don't know where to start.
Right.
This is where you start.
Do you take these home with you, or are these something that you bring when you come and do the consult and all of that?
So this we keep generally at our design showroom, but if it's certainly something that you want to take a look at as you go along, not a problem. You can take it home. But it just helps funnel the ideas and get you going on the right track.
Right. I love how you even include the paint colors for the walls. That is something that you don't really think about, but it's something that you need to. So what seems to be really popular right now?
We're definitely seeing a lot of quartz in countertops. That's definitely big. Getting away from some of the super glitzy things that we've seen in the past, but really keeping it warm, keeping it family friendly.
There you go. I love that. Okay, so now when I'm thinking 5 days, people are working fast. I'm thinking maybe the price tag is a little bit higher.
We talk about budget. So that's one of the first conversations that we have after you start taking a look at things. We're going to design around your budget. So you set that, and you say, this is what I want to spend, and we design around that budget.
Ooh, that makes it handy for you. Now, you actually did some stuff with our kitchen over here. What did we do in our kitchen over here?
In this kitchen over here, we did I believe it was the countertops and the cabinets.
Oh, and we love all of them.
Good. I'm very glad. I'm very glad.
I think they're getting a shot of it right now. So did you come in and consult? Obviously, I wasn't here when we did that. But did you come in and give them consultations to say this would be good, or? Yeah,
absolutely. Yeah, we talk about your needs. We talk about how you cook, who does the cooking, how you entertain. We know that the kitchen is the heart of the home. That's big as well. So we want to design it around how you use it. That's really important.
Because we use it a lot.
Good. I know this food's starting to smell pretty good in here.
Yeah. Well, I love that it's such a misconception. When you hear Rebath, you just automatically assume all you do are bathtubs and bathrooms, but there's so much more to you.
We've just taken the efficiencies that we did in the bathroom remodeling process and applied it to kitchens.
There you go.
Yeah, make it simple.
I love it. If people have questions or they want to reach out and learn more about the 5 Day Kitchen remodel, what do they need to do?
They can go to 5daykitchensillinois.com, or they can give us a call at 423-8827.
All right, there you have it. There's their website, which we will definitely get you connected with at CILiving.tv. Sarah, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Okay.